Welcome to Supalai Icon Sathorn, an iconic mixed-use development combining office, residence, and retail space in the vibrant Bangkok district of Sathorn. Situated in Sathorn South, Supalai Icon is surrounded by Bangkok's key business hubs, upscale lifestyle options, and unparalleled convenience. With 720 residential units and 100% parking availability, this property offers urban living at its finest. Each residence at Supalai Icon reflects premium standards. 1 to 3 bedroom units feature high ceilings of 2.85 meters, modern built-in systems, and smart home living. Bathrooms include separated wet and dry zones and the smart toilet for added convenience and comfort. For those seeking even more, our duplex units boast impressive 6.2 meter ceiling heights across 2-story floors. Both levels come with individual title deeds and added safety advantages, ensuring peace of mind. Supalai Icon offers exclusive, full-service facilities designed to inspire wellness and entertainment. From our double-space fitness zones to the serene Maldives-inspired pool and hydrotherapy area, every detail ensures an elevated lifestyle. Enjoy community spaces like the Wisdom Library, unique play areas, and modern entertainment zones. Head up to the 53rd floor to experience life in the clouds at the Opal Sky Lounge, where you can reserve exclusive private events or just enjoy a quiet moment alone. Relax at the Heaven Garden and indulge in exclusive moments at the Opal Sky Lounge on the 53rd and 54th floors. It's more than just a home, it's a sanctuary above the city. Supalai Icon celebrates its rich heritage, once home to the Australian Embassy. The centerpiece of that connection is right here in the Forest Garden. Unique design elements pay tribute to this legacy, merging history with modern luxury. With a birdcage-inspired summer house nestled amid greenery and the soothing sound of a creek, this serene space evokes the calm of a sparse forest, perfectly complementing the grandeur of Supalai Icon. With premium materials, cutting-edge home automation, and smart living systems, Supalai Icon stands above the rest in quality and functionality. Discover life elevated at Supalai Icon Sathorn, where luxury seamlessly blends with functionality in Bangkok's prime location. Experience urban living redefined, featuring the exclusive benefits of freehold condominium ownership. With freehold status, you gain complete ownership of your unit and a share in the common property, providing long-term security, full control over your investment, and the potential for greater property value appreciation.